Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to read the server audit log on Discord in just a few simple steps. Open your Discord server by clicking its icon in the left sidebar. Click your server name at the top of the channel list to open the drop-down menu. Select server settings from that menu. In the left sidebar, click Audit Log to open the server activity history. The audit log appears showing a chronological list of recent actions. Each entry displays the member who made the change, what they changed, and when. To narrow the log, click the Filter by User dropdown at the top. For this example, I'm selecting MusicBot, and the log now shows only that member's actions. Click the Filter by Action dropdown to narrow by change type. For this example, I'm choosing Update Server, so the log filters to server setting changes. To clear the user filter, open that dropdown again. Select All Users to restore the full member list. Open the Action Filter dropdown. Select All Actions to reset the log to show all activity types. The audit log keeps 90 days of history, so older actions drop off automatically. If you're looking for a specific change and can't find it, check your filters are set to All Users and All Actions. A leftover filter is the most common reason an entry doesn't appear. Only server owners and members with admin or audit log permissions can view this page. The log is read-only, so you can browse it safely without changing anything. And that's how to read the server audit log on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.